Welcome friends. Today I am going to show you how to make saplings of plants. After making these saplings, after growing them, you can plant it in any good location of your choice. I am going to show two very easy methods of planting saplings. So I have some seeds of tamarind. Actually, yesterday I made some idli and sambar, and for those idli and sambar I needed some tamarind or imli, and I have saved the seeds for those, and I am going to show you how to very easily plant them and make some saplings from these. Okay, so you need one coffee cup or tea cup, just like this, and you have to just, and using one nail or any sharp instrument, you have to just punch a hole at the bottom. So now I just punched a hole at the bottom here. Okay, now I'm going to fill this up with the soil. This is a very ordinary garden soil. At this stage you don't need to add any fertilizers. Fertilizers will be added when you are going to replant it in any suitable location. Now I am using just ordinary garden soil here. So if there are any stones in the soil, you have to remove this. Look, here are some small stones. I am removing stones. So now I have readied a few cups, and now this is the tamarind seed or imli seed that I am going to insert. Just you press it inside. Simply you press it inside. Simply you press it inside. You have to cover the whole seed with the soil. The seed shouldn't be visible from above. So now I have placed all the seeds inside the soil. Now we have to simply water it. So now these are ready. Now you have to wait for a few days for the saplings to sprout. Now I am going to show you an even simpler method and faster method of making some saplings, a different type. And that will be a very faster method. This will take a time for a few days, but that will in that process you will get saplings even faster than this. And maybe in this process maybe some will fail, some seeds will fail to germinate, but in that method you are getting a sure shot ready-made plant. So come on, let's go to the ground now. So now for this method you need a few plastic packets. You can take the ready-made plastic packets from the shop, the black ones for plantation, for making seedlings. But in case you can use any plastic packet. In this case I am using the thrown away these milk packets for the demonstration. So here you can see the Amul milk packet. I'll cut the top portion with the scissor. So in this way I've cut the top portion. Now you have to also cut the bottom portion, very small holes in the bottom portion. This is very essential because if you don't pierce the bottom, then excess water will damage the seeds. So your seedling may not come up. So here I have made two very small holes at the bottom. Now you go around your house, in your backyard or in any other place where you will find some seedlings that automatically grow there. In my house it happens that after eating many types of fruits, I just throw away the seeds in my backyard. So now I'm seeing some jamun trees, some seedlings of jamun plants have propped up. Another one seedling has also propped up here. So I'm just going to take out these plants. So you have to make your hands dirty. Without making your hands dirty, you can't make proper plants. So for gardening or for plantation, it is essential that you make your hands dirty. So, and you may have to go to dirty place also. See, there are many insects. So there are earthworm also, and this is a good sign. If you have earthworm in your garden, it is a very good sign. First, you clear the surrounding. And very gently, you have to, using this tool, you have to very gently cut the four sides of the soil without disturbing the roots as much as possible, without cutting the roots as much as possible. See, now I have taken out the whole plant along with the surrounding soil, the soil surrounding the roots, without disturbing the root system. And I am going to place this in the plastic packet. You will need some more soil, so I am adding some soil. Keep it in position so that the plant sits upright. So plant number 1 is ready. Now plant number 2. If the plant is too small, then you can fold the sides of the packet. As the plants grow up, so you can open the folds afterwards. And now you have to put some water here, and everything is ready. So welcome again, guys. It's been 2 weeks since I have planted the seeds and the seedlings for replantation in another place. So now I am giving you the update of the seeds and the seedlings. See, the tamarind plants, the seeds have germinated and the seedlings have sprouted up. 4 tamarind seedlings have sprouted out. This one, the cotyledons are still there, and this two are in a more developed stage. And there are also the 2 jamun plants that you can see here. So thank you guys for watching. I think this may inspire you, this may guide you how to very easily plant trees and grow more plants.